Morning guys, Stuart the bin cleaner. Monday. We've got a nice block paving driveway to do today and some flags under the front of the window. Weather's nice again. Hopefully we'll get all this done and resanded all in one day. Let's have a look, see what we've got to do. So this is today's job. Block paving driveway. Pretty straightforward. Get it resanded when it's done. And that pathway, which isn't too bad already. Do it with a brighten up. See if we can get that done for the customer. There we go. Drive. Batmobile. That's it. As we always say, let's get stuck in. Halfway there. Brew time. See you in a bit. So, while I'm waiting for this to do its magic, I thought I'd mention something that's got me this last week or two. And for all you people that work outside, it might get you too. What it is you never think it's going to be you. You never think you're going to get anything. But the fact is, you could. I, just before furlough, got a little mark on the side of my temple. Only a little red one. Tiny thing. Didn't think much of it. Thought it was where my sunglasses were actually rubbing on my face. And my wife became a little bit concerned while we were going through furlough. She said, I want you to go see the doctor. You know what blokes are like. I'll be right. Not bother. Be alright. But this little red mark started getting a little bit bigger. A little bit flakier. I don't look in the camera. I don't like looking at the camera. A little bit flakier. And I thought to myself, you know what? Maybe I should get this checked out. So, we made an appointment with the doctor. On the phones, you know, video call. He asked me what was the problem, asked me if I was worried. I said, yeah, I'm worried. And he said, right, okay. I'm going to book you in with a dermatologist. Within an hour, he got me an appointment with a dermatologist, which was great. Which was even better was the fact that he got me an appointment the week after. Only a week. He said, by what you're telling me, I think it might be what they call Bowen's disease. Now, like everybody else, you know what we do. Bowen's disease. Okay, write that down. When I finish the phone call, what do? Google Bowen's disease. First thing that pops up, the big C. I'm thinking, sugar. That's right. So for a week then, I was panicking. You know how you do? Oh, my kids. Oh, my family. Anyway, time passed. I went for my appointment. The guy there was absolutely fantastic. He had a good look at it. And he said, well, I'm glad to tell you, it's not what we call Bowen's disease. It's not skin cancer. It's what we call solar keratosis. Solar keratosis. So what's solar keratosis? I hear you ask. Well, it's basically just skin damage from the sun. But if left unattended, it can turn into Bowen's disease. It's surface damage, that's all. When you get Bowen's disease or a skin cancer, it digs in. This is just on the surface. So what do you do about it? Well, he says to me, I can either let you have a cream, put it on for 10 days, 4 times a day. 4 times a day. I'm rubbish with creams, I'm rubbish with tablets, I'm rubbish with everything like that. So what's the other option? He said, we can give you some no, I don't know. We can freeze it off. Freeze it? Yeah. He says, well, yeah, so get it done. I'm not messing about with any creams, get it done. So he did. 10 minutes later, there I am, with a frozen head. Well, not frozen head, but, a little bit. Anyway, so what now? He says, that's it, done. He said, if you get anything around it, fine. Come back, we'll freeze that off. So cool. So, this is really just like a word of warning, be careful. Because you never think it's going to happen to you. It does happen to a lot of British guys. They say, oh, cover up, I can't understand it. I had a customer whose husband is a policeman. And he's so careful with sun creams and stuff like that. And yet he's had this on his face, because it goes where the thin skin is, like your temple or on your nose. And he said, I can't understand why he's had it. Because he covers himself up, so he says. This guy's a policeman. A traffic officer. Traffic officer. What does traffic officers do? Drive around. That's where most of these people get it. Driving around. With the window open. They get it on their arms. Get it on the nose. Get it on that side of the face. And look. That's mine. There. That little mark there. That's mine. That could have been a lot worse. So, cream up. If you're working outside, put some sun cream on. Cover up. Anything. Just protect yourself. Because when it does happen to you, or when something like this happens to you and it scares you, you know about it, and you realise what counts. Your family, your kids. Anyway, that's enough of this. Back on with the job. I'll catch you later. Oh, I'm okay now, by the way. Yeah. See you later. Right, that's another one done. Another one in the bag. So let's have a look at it. Okay, here we go. All finished. Looking like new. Love doing these kind of driveways. Down there too. This didn't change too much because the customer did it just as they started furlough. Still, brighten it up a little bit more. There we go. Job done. See you later, guys. like what we've done today, give us a like. If you want to, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you don't miss any of our future videos.